Electrical fire safety. Easy steps. Every homeowner must know. Electrical fires are one of the most common and dangerous causes of home fires. But with a few simple steps, you can protect your home and loved ones from disaster. Here's what you need to know. 1. Inspect all electrical cords and plugs regularly. Damaged wires, cracked plugs, or exposed wiring are major fire hazards. If you spot any damage, replace the cord or device right away. Don't try to repair it yourself unless you're a qualified professional. 2. Avoid overloading outlets and power strips. Plugging too many devices into one outlet causes overheating, which can spark a fire. Use power strips with built-in circuit breakers and never daisy chain multiple strips together. If you need more outlets, have a licensed electrician add them for you. 3. Pay attention to your circuit breakers. If your breakers trip often or your lights flicker, these are signs your system might be overloaded or faulty. Don't ignore it. Call an electrician immediately to inspect and fix the problem. 4. Use extension cords properly and temporarily. Extension cords aren't meant to be permanent wiring. Avoid running cords under rugs, furniture, or through doorways where they can get pinched or damaged. Always unplug them when not in use. 5. Keep electrical devices away from water. Never use electrical appliances near sinks, tubs, or wet surfaces. Water and electricity are a dangerous combo that can cause fires or serious injuries. 6. Install smoke detectors on every floor and outside sleeping areas. Test your smoke alarms every month and replace batteries twice a year. Replace any detectors that are more than 10 years old. 7. Don't ignore warning signs. Buzzing outlets, burning smells, warm wall plates, or sparks when plugging in devices are serious red flags. Get your home's wiring checked by a professional immediately. 8. Upgrade old wiring. If your home is over 20 years old, the wiring might not meet current safety standards. Consider having a licensed electrician inspect and update your electrical system. 9. Use appliances safely. Don't leave appliances like space heaters, irons, or ovens unattended. Turn them off when you leave the room or go to bed. Taking these steps can dramatically reduce your risk of electrical fires and keep your home safe. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends to help keep everyone safe. For personalized advice on protecting your home and belongings, contact Klinger Insurance Group. We're here to help you stay safe and prepared. Call us 301-428-4935 or visit our website www.klingerinsuranceGroup.com for more information. Thanks for watching and stay safe.